Hello everyone, it's Monika and welcome back to my YouTube channel. As I said in my previous video, I will be doing another invitation. It's a special invitation and it's only one invitation. So it's for the same customer as I did this baptism invitation in a box. I've done, as I said, few of them, but in my previous video I showed you how to create one. So it's going to be slimline card in a box as well. I've got my box ready on the side, already put together, and for this project I'm going to use old gold Centura Pearl card from Crafter's Companion. I love this one, and my customer asked for some gold and green, so I thought this paper from, let me show you. So this is the Centura Pearl in old gold from Crafter's Companion, and the paper comes from Country Lane paper pad from Crafter's Companion as well. And I really love this paper because it looks like it has a hint of gold over here, so it will look really nice on this project. So let me start to put this card together. So first I've got a matte in that old gold Centura Pearl card, and as you can see on my right, I already got a panel ready which has that same old gold Centura Pearl and a layer of that paper, but actually the reverse side, because I didn't want to put that panel with that design paper. I just used the reverse, and I think it works really well. I actually asked my customer if she's happy with that design, and she said yes, go ahead. So what I do, I usually prepare a project and then do like a dry run and send a photo for the person to say, okay, I'm happy with that design, and you can actually finish it off. So I've got this one ready, and this time I'm not using 3D foam pads. I actually was working, because lately I do have quite a few projects I'm working on, and I'm actually creating an exploding box with this beautiful 3D element, which I think I will show you. So this is my next project. It will have this beautiful cup or element in the center of that exploding box. So that's my next project. I'm not sure if I'm going to do a video tutorial on that one, or even I don't know, maybe I will just put it together on camera, but I'm not sure. It all depends if I will have enough time, because sometimes, yes, there is not enough time to show you everything what I'm working on, and certain things has to be posted, or I've got someone who is really waiting for something, and there is actually not enough time to record the video. So yes, and I do try to post everything on my social media, but again, it's the same. It's just sometimes there is not enough time, and if I've got some spare time, especially now before summer holidays, my youngest daughter is finishing year 6, so she's going through a transition to secondary school. So all those assemblies, school trips, special celebrations, so many things. And yes, and we are actually planning to go away for a week, so there's lots of things to think about, to prepare for, and because girls are going away for the whole summer holiday, it's, yes, there's so many things. Actually today on a day when I'm actually recording, it's Saturday, we went very quickly to get Natalia's school uniform, and she was really happy. She was just again trying everything on at home because she's super excited about going to secondary school. She's going actually to the same school as Olivia, her sister. So yes, they're already planning to walk together, which I'm really happy about. So yes, that's what is happening right now. Lots of things. And so as you can see, I'm creating my my decoration to decorate my cards, and because I know that I will put some sequins here as well, and I forgot to switch on my hot glue gun, so I need to wait a little bit. So I'm just putting the sequins in the place where I know they should go, because everything was prepared. I love this little touch of sparkle with the sequins, and yes, my customer is happy with that as well. So now I can put that leaf on. I love those leaves, and these are actually from, can't remember which collection, but they are from Crafto'clock. I had a pouch of those leaves prepared already, cut out, so I thought, yeah, it's perfect. It's perfect for this. It's perfect for this project. So yes, I'm going to use it, and I want to put some leaves here and there, so I will not have to struggle to leave the flowers. So I want them to be slightly visible. Let me see if I can find different ones to make this composition as beautiful and as yeah, very interesting. And I'm going for lots of layers because this card will go into the box, so I don't have to worry about, okay, it will be a bit too much and it's not going to fit, because it will fit. So that's why I love making cards which they will go into a box, because I don't have to worry about, okay, I have to stop myself from putting more things on. And I'm just trying to see how to place those flowers. I think my glue gun is ready. Let's see. So let me know, what do you think about this project? Do you like those papers from Crafter's Companion? I love green, and I think those papers are really pretty. So I think I'm going to add a few more smaller leaves if I can. Of course, I try to shape them in my fingers just to give them even more natural look. Yes, this one will go here. I've got another one. It doesn't matter which one will go into which place. I have to remember to cut off those ends because I don't need them, and they can be difficult to place even with the hot glue. So I've got this one, and yes, I had the small one here. Big one will go just, I think, here. So yes, as I said in my previous video, I've got this customer who loves project with lots of flowers. So she always says, please, can you add a bit more, more flowers, please? And this is always the case. And yes, I understand why, because those flowers are really pretty. Actually, I bought them long time ago, and that's the thing, that it's very hard to buy nice ready-made flowers nowadays. So yeah, see, I think the sentiment should be a bit lower, but it has to be this way now. I'm thinking, should I just put it here? Just put it there. I think I will put it here. Yes, I have to squeeze it and push it right in here. Yeah, and it looks good. And I forgot about those because I had them already made, and the idea was just to tag them somewhere, and I think I can still do that. So what I usually do, I put two stamens together, and then I add a touch of glue. I think need more glue stick. So So I've got a new glue stick and just a little bit, wait a few seconds, and then that hopefully it's not too hot. No, it's fine. Just roll it so it will be glued together. I'm going to cut that a little bit off, add more glue, leave the petal, and just put it there. Just a small addition of something different into your floral composition, and I like doing that. I think it looks really pretty and different as well. So let me do this one again. Going to leave it on the side for a sec, and then I need to add that little green rose here. And I think, do I need more leaves? I could add that green one. Why not? It looks like it was initially on my composition, so yeah, I'm going to add it. And I think I will add this one, the glass on that side. Yes, I will. Because it's just a single leaf, so why not? And now I can use this one and just a little bit of hot glue. I'm going to make it slightly shorter so I can just tuck it under somewhere if I can. Yeah, that's fine. So let me touch of glue. Hot glue I think is good for this, for those stamens. Just try to press it. Yeah, and I think that's done. So very quick card with lots of leaves and flowers, and yes, as you can see, it looks really nice. That gold and green looks really beautiful. And of course, let me put it into the box so you know how it will look like. So that's the box with a beautiful lid, and I could also add a ribbon, tie it nicely with maybe a gold ribbon, and it will look very special for the person who is going to receive it. So I hope you like this very quick project and how I put the composition together. So let me know what do you think about it, and if you want to know what I used to create this project, I will try to link all the elements below the video. So thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye for now.